Some of the challenges that providers have shared with us included a lot of issues around food in terms of what to provide, how to provide it, the best thing to provide, a lot of concern around food wastage and encouraging children to eat a healthy, balanced, nutritious meal.
So with the guidance from the Department of Education, it provides the minimum standards for providers and also those coordinators, but doesn't have many examples of good practice.
Today we had fruit ice lolls for the 5 and 6 year olds. The 7 to 8s did a pasta rainbow salad. We'll talk about the benefits of different vegetables like courgettes, peppers as well, the baby sweet corn, and just showing them how easy it is to make a filling and healthy meal.
So the main reason for developing Hakuna Matata as a project was really to answer the needs of the providers in offering really high quality provision for young people. And we've always collaborated with providers to gather information from young people as to what it is they wanted, gather information from providers as to what they felt they could provide, and tie the two together to create a project that could address a lot of those challenges.
So Hakuna Matata is it's a great bolt-on or addition to the HAF programme. What we found is the kids fell in love with tasting new foods and putting these creations together. And what we found is the parents are very receptive as well. When we've invited the parents in, they're welcoming the alternatives to the cheap junk food. And when they realise that actually it's quite cheap to make these things, that's also a big thumbs up from the parents. One size isn't going to fit all because all these children are different. The communities that HAF covers is different. So what might work in one community might not work in another.
The reason why Hakuna Matata has been successful is due to the training that we've offered to staff. The training has enabled staff to feel more confident, and we've empowered them to make decisions that are right for their own communities and their own facilities to be able to deliver a practical food-based enrichment activity. An example of provider feedback, they said, it's more than just a shift in eating habits, it's a genuine change in attitude. Children are becoming more adventurous eaters, excited to try new things, and are more aware of how food impacts their health and energy levels.
A guide to good school holiday provision is guidance for commissioners, providers and coordinators of school holidays provision across the country. This research was undertaken by the Have to Find team. So in our research, we co-produced the guidance with people who have real life experience of commissioning and providing these holiday clubs. So with our guidance, we've adapted it so that local authorities, if they're time poor, and providers as well, they can go to any part of the guidance where they need help, and there's a number of different approaches or examples that they can take to try and improve their provision. If you're a provider or local authority, you can visit our Good School Holiday Provision webpage where you can download the guidance, you can watch some case studies and read more about our project.